going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you guys are having a great day. I got 2 hearings from Judge Middleton. Both of these guys, yeah, bad news. Bad news for them. All right, before I hit that play button, you already know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump game backflips. I feel like I just stumbled through that, but you already know what to do. Let's go.
I have a walk-in this morning. Mr. Casey Talbot, would you come up to the podium? Good morning, sir. Let me find this. See if they put this one in my queue.
I didn't put it in your queue because we weren't sure what was gonna happen.
All
I
right.
can put it in your queue, but it's gonna take a few minutes.
I'll just find it the old-fashioned way.
Okay, sorry about that.
She didn't want me to have it.
When Judge Middleton says he's going to find it the old-fashioned way, he's going to use his 2 index fingers, and no, he doesn't even have his keyboard in front of him.
You spell Talbot.
Talbott.
Has anyone else watched Judge Middleton type? I feel like I want to teach him how to type because it's hilarious. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Watch. He's getting a little better. I think I saw 3 fingers instead of just 2. He gets the job done, though. He knows how to use the tool.
In this case, Mr. Talbot, it is alleged that on or about April 11th, that you assaulted Jessica Talbot, an individual you had a child in common with, or your spouse. 2 counts. Domestic violence is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. You don't have anything in our system, but there's no criminal history in here. There's no nothing else. You went to the jail this morning to turn yourself in, and they sent you here. And you're going to jail. I'm not going to arraign you here. You got 2 counts of domestic assault. It's
Judge,
alleged.
he never went to the jail to turn himself in. They called.
Oh, they
And jail
called
sent
it.
them here.
Okay.
Apparently, that's the story.
All right.
not-
Okay. Anyway, it's alleged that on 2 separate occasions, April 11th and on a even earlier occasion, you choked Jessica. And they didn't charge that. So the bailiff's going to take you into custody. You're going to go to jail. They'll arraign you. They'll set a bond. And they will,
Sir,
yes.
he lives with me. That's.
Yes, be quiet.
Well,
He's getting arrested on a 2-count assault warrant issued by the prosecutor. And we'll deal with it after he gets arraigned, but I'm not going to do a walk-in PR bond on a 2-count domestic assault where someone allegedly was choked. He can go to the jail And they'll arraign him this afternoon by the magistrate. I don't have enough information here either. So, yes,
If I may, I charged this and I did already make a phone call to DHHS because there were minor children in the home. One of the children allegedly witnessed what had happened. Unfortunately, they're very young, and delayed, but DHHS is involved with an ongoing worker, so there's been an investigation. I'm hoping that case stays open. I would just encourage the defendant, once released from jail or if released to jail, to contact that worker, get involved in any services that they're going to offer. But that was April 12th, and I have not had contact with DHHS since then.
All right, so he allegedly choked someone in front of kids. I'm sorry. I don't have any sympathy for this. It's still alleged. It's still alleged. So he's gonna have a bond hearing this afternoon in front of a different judge. It won't be Judge Middleton. I think he says the magistrate here in a second. But yeah, this is why it's hard to react to court content, because you have an opinion, right? You just hear the charge and you just want to jump down this guy's throat. We don't know what happened. We weren't there, but in front of kids, man. I don't care if it was something small and it wasn't choking. You did it in front of your kids or in front of kids. They didn't say if it was his or not. All right, let's finish this one.
So.
all right, Mr. Talbot, you can go with the court officer. He'll be taken out to the jail. They'll give him lunch. He'll get arraigned by the magistrate. The magistrate will set a bond, and you call and find out what the bond is.
What time? can I
Yeah,
do that?
Probably about
That's what we give to her.
2:30, so I would
How do
check.
you get up, how do you do, I don't know nothing about no bonds or anything, I just.
They can give you that information at the jail
Anything
regarding the
there's no
bonding
books staff
companies.
for me.
Will he be able to get out and go to work today? I mean.
Probably not.
We'll get there.
Please. Let's go this way.
Yeah, that guy's not going to work today. He's not going to work today. He's gonna get he's gonna have a bond if this is his first, violent offense. He'll get a bond, but hopefully it's high enough where he's in jail for a day or two, so we can cool down and try to figure out what happened. Anyways, again, still innocent till proven guilty. Gotta keep my opinions down a little bit. All right, next one. Don't lie to Judge Simpson. Simpson. His name's not Simpson. Don't lie to Judge Middleton. I think I'm still sleepy from yesterday. All right, let's go. And shout out to Heather, who just texted me. Hi, Heather. Even though you're not on, I'm just recording, but you texted me, so I want to say hi.
City.
Good for you.
Yeah,
Yes.
according to the cameras, he did drive here.
Okay, why don't you have a seat, Mr. Scott? We're gonna decide whether you're gonna go to jail this morning for lying to my face. Have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. I wish people quit doing that. Yeah, it's out of necessity that I'm gonna send you over to the jail for a while. We'll see what you think about that. What?
I don't want to miss my court date.
Well, I'll just leave you in jail until your court date. How's that work? All right, let's go back to Mr. Scott, who showed up late and drove here and lied to me. Mr. Scott, come up to the podium if you would. Are you employed someplace?
I'm currently looking for work. I got an interview at International Papers tomorrow.
Which one?
One in Three Rivers. Joel Warehouser.
They pay well there. They can't get help very good.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get a job there. It'd be,
How you gonna get back and forth to work? Drive?
no, Miss Evans works down the road at Myers, so trying to get on the same schedule.
promise this will be the last time I interrupt you.
Yeah,
The cores are here, they have a zoning thing.
Yeah.
Do you want them in a Zoom room or do you want them to come in your phone?
they can come in the courtroom.
Okay.
I have another hearing in 6 minutes. All right, so I'm not very happy about this. You're not working, you're still driving a car. You told me this car was going to the scrap yard.
Yeah, the only reason we were in that car was the starter went out on the truck.
All right, well, I don't want you to say much about it. I got a lawyer for you, but I'm not happy that you stood here and looked me in the eye and lied to me.
All right, just a little quick recap. I did only cut a little bit of his formal hearing, then he got told to sit down. It was pretty basic. He did lie to him. That's what part I showed you, that he didn't drive. A friend came and picked him up. And yeah, so that's the part that Judge Middleton's angry about. But I took out about 20 minutes of just a regular hearing. Nothing exciting happened. And yeah, and now we're here now. So let's go.
I'm
It
sorry.
hurts my feelings, and I could tell when you told me that you were lying to me.
Yeah, I'm not a very good liar.
Yeah, so I don't know whether to believe you about any of the other stuff either. That's one of the problems with being a liar. Oh, yeah. Oh. I believe this. She's already going to the jail with the other guy. I could just take you along for the ride. This goes way back. 2004, driving without a valid license. You didn't pay, got closed. Wow. That was 2008, not 2004, 5. Another driving without a valid license in 2018. You didn't pay that one either. In 2019, you didn't pay a booking fee. Now we have this. Plus some other stuff that you didn't pay. All right. We will set that pretrial for May 31st. Did I give you a notice regarding that?
No, sir.
Friday. May 31st. At 8:30 will be the pretrial. I'm gonna needs court appointed attorney. I understand the pressure people feel about missing a court appearance. But driving here on a driving suspended charge isn't very good.
Nope, not good at all. And then don't lie to the judge. Don't lie to him. Judge Middleton is generally softer on a lot of people than we would like as viewers. And yeah, but when you lie to him, that softness goes out the window. You're going to jail, bud. You're going to jail. All right, I'm going to let this play out. I am currently working on my Michigan tour video. I'll hopefully have that out in the late afternoon before my live tonight. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoyed the trip. And I hope to see you guys at 8 o'clock tonight for my live. Until next time, bye.
Find you're in contempt of court for lying to me. I give you 1 day in jail credit, 0. You'll get out tomorrow. Going to jail.
Can I let somebody know to come get their
Yeah.
vehicle?
Sure.
My phone's out there.
Yep.
And he's all locked up.
We'll take care of that before you go. So, you have a long history of not paying your fines.
Like I said, I was hoping to come here and find a way off that merry-go-round that you're
Well,
talking
maybe
about.
we could do that, but the way to do it isn't to drive here. If you want the prosecutor to give you some consideration and then lie to me about it, that's not helpful. So, lesson learned.
Sir, I want to not get my interview at international papers tomorrow.
Yeah, what time is it?
Huh? I set it for 9 o'clock.
Well, that's your fault. You're gonna get booked out here in the morning about 5 a.m. So 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
When will it get booked out?
He'll get booked out. If it's only 1 day, he'll be booked out at 9:30 because he's going into custody at 9:30.
I swear, Your Honor, I'm done.
Don't argue with me about it.
I'm not-
I felt
I'm
like
not
I was
trying to
gonna.
argue. I
All
just
right,
don't
how about
wanna-
90 days in jail? Then you can set the thing out farther when you want to. This is your own fault. This
I
goes
understand.
under the category of the only person who's responsible for this is you.
I was just
I'll
really
put
hoping to.
release defendant at 5 a.m. All right, you go with the court officer.
So can I go and let somebody know?
Yeah, we'll take care of that. She'll help.